1, 2, 3. Banana, strawberry, and kiwi. We chop, 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 nice and slow. Be careful now, here we go. Now, freeze the fruit. It takes some time. We wait and wait, and hear a chime. Ding, 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 the time is here. Let's go get it loud and clear. We blend, 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 it's such fun. Watch the fruit swirl, almost done. Hooray, it's done. Let's take a bite. Mmm, so yummy, feels just right. Fresh fruit, ice cream,